Welcome. In today's guide, we're diving into how to add new shortcuts on Snapchat. This is one of those features that makes sending snaps to your favorite friends so much quicker and a lot more fun. If you're always sharing with the same group of people, shortcuts will save you time and keep everything organized. Let's go step by step so you can set it up in just a minute. First, open up Snapchat as you normally would. Go ahead and take a snap. It can be a photo or a quick video, whichever you prefer. Once your snap is ready, look for the Send to button down at the bottom and tap it. This will bring up your list of friends and groups. Now, here's where the shortcut option comes in. At the top left corner, you'll see a little plus icon. Tap on that and then select New Shortcut. This is where you create your very own customized shortcut that fits exactly how you use Snapchat. Next, choose the friends you want in this shortcut. You can pick just one person or multiple people if you tend to send snaps to the same group every time. After that, you'll be asked to choose an emoji for the shortcut. This is a fun touch because the emoji will act as the label for your shortcut. It makes it quick to recognize and adds a little personality. When you're happy with your selection, tap Create Shortcut, and just like that, it's saved. Now, anytime you're sending a snap, you'll find that emoji shortcut ready to go, making the entire process much faster. No more scrolling endlessly to look for the same names over and over again. And that's it. You've successfully set up a new shortcut on Snapchat. It's simple, it's efficient, and it adds a touch of customization to your snapping experience. Whether you're keeping up with your best friends, a private group, or even just someone special, shortcuts make the whole process smoother than ever. Thanks for watching.